Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, today we are going to be stuffing some of my envelopes for my 50 envelope savings challenge. I have 2 boxes, so I did it twice, and as you can see, they are getting super duper stuffed, which I don't have too much more to stuff, and then I can go back through my envelopes and see how much I have saved. It's going to be super fun because I have put extra money in some of the envelopes. I actually stuffed them twice. So as you can see, these things are getting huge, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get our money. And then I'm gonna give you some little bit of updates, as always. So this is our cash we're gonna be stuffing. And then we need to get our 50 envelope A6 savings challenge card. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those. Okay, so this is all we got left, y'all. So we can knock these out. We can do it, okay? So we got this. Okay, so this is what we have here. And we're gonna go ahead and count the cash to see what we have. Now, I'm not even gonna use my money tray today. I'm just gonna line it up here because I don't actually have a lot of cash. So we are doing $170 for our stuffing. All right. And I'm just gonna stick this little card right here. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7. All right, so now y'all, the weather has switched it up on us again. So my allergies are going haywire and bonkers. So I took some Allegra D today, so that seemed to pretty much help a little bit. So let me make sure I line this up. I have to move her back a little bit so I can get all this end screen here. All right, I think we're good. So we are actually going to be, and I need to get rid of my coin. Just thinking about that, y'all, look at this. I have so much coin in this wallet here. Look, I was going to take and separate it during this video, but I'm like, no, we're not doing that. That's like, y'all see that? It's a lot of coin in it, so we're not going to do that right now. All right, so we're going to actually find envelope. Let's see which envelope we're going to do. All right, so we're going to do actually envelope number 37. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and hopefully I don't skip over any numbers this time, because couple videos I skipped over some numbers and didn't even stuff it. So we're going to do $37. So we're going to do 3 10s, and we're going to do a 5. This feels weird without my money tray. And then we're going to do 2 1s. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. Yeah, money tray is so much easier. It keeps it straight. All right, so let's see if we can find, yeah, this thing is getting super tight. Let's find, okay, we got 37 here. So we're gonna put that here. I am like so excited because I'm almost done. I know I keep saying that, you're like, girl, if you say that one more time, one more time. Okay, so next we're gonna do $39. Let's see if I can find 39. Let's see what we got here. This one's filled. So let's go over here. I gotta do a better tracking of which card is which next time I start this again. All right, so we're gonna do 39. I'm just gonna stick this up so I know where to put it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and color in. As you can see, I colored in 39 there. All right, so 39 we're gonna do, let's do 3 10s. Let's do $40 because I don't have any ones. So we're going to do 10, 20, 30. Now about that, I told you guys that some of these envelopes, they do have a little bit more because like this instant, and it's okay to do so that when I finish this challenge here, I'm not going to have the exact amount which is here. I'll have actually more, which is better. So I'm excited about that. And like I said, some of them I stuffed twice. So we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So we're going to actually do, instead of $39, we're going to do $40. Okay, so it'll go there. Oh, and oh yeah, and let me tell you guys also, I know you guys were asking me, was I going to have these individually, so you guys can like add them to your 52-week challenge books. So I will be adding these to my site. They're going to be 5 in a pack, so they will be added to that. So just in case if you want to get like a couple extra to add into your books, because I had a lot of requests for that, so I'm gonna actually do that. Okay, so that is on my agenda to do also. All right, so next we have we're gonna do $28. All right, so let's go ahead and do $28, and you guys can see we did 28. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have $30 left, and that's an extra $2. So we're gonna do that. And now I need to go and find 28. All right, let's see if we can find this. Oh, this has some money in it already. All right, so this is 28. Oh, I'm gonna stick that up a little bit. So that'll go there. Let's have $28. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait until we finish this. All right, so that's all of the cash that we have that we're going to stuff. Like I said, these little challenges right here, this is good for low income also. So you can just start off with just 1 box, but I was kind of like challenging myself, so I ended up doing 2 boxes. And now I'm glad that I did do 2 boxes. But yeah, so this is you pick whichever envelope you want to pick, so it's not like you're just pulling it out, or you can just take it if you want to make it, you know, surprise, just take and pull it out and then say, hey, I picked envelope number 18, so that's what I'm going to fill. But I just kind of randomly kind of work with the cash that I have, so that's how I come up with which envelopes I'm going to stuff. So basically, if I have like $100, like I had $107, I just kind of figure out which envelopes I have left, how I can pretty much divide it. And like I said, it's your challenge, so you can pretty much stuff them every other day. You can stuff them once a week, once a month, totally up to you. It all determines on when you want to finish this. So my goal for this year was actually to finish it, because last year I was doing it and I only had 1 box and I did not finish it. Yeah, so but this year that was one of my goals. I want to actually make sure that I do finish it. And then also, guys, I do have these that I am going to be uploading to my website. It comes with the 6 envelopes, so that's another thing I want to tell you guys about. And the 52 weeks savings challenge binders, I will be releasing them on Friday. Yeah, so I know I had so many, like my messages in my inbox are like totally filled with, hey, you're gonna put the 52 weeks, you bringing it back, you bringing it back. So I was like, let me get it together. And then also I had requests for these too also. All right, y'all, so we are done. I'm gonna put my stuff back in here. We are pretty much done with this little, you know, savings challenge. And like I said, with savings challenges, you don't have to do a lot. You can just do whatever you need to do, whatever you can do. And then like I said, I save every now and then. I don't fill these up every single week or every other day. I just do it when I have extra cash and see how much progress that I have made. All right, guys, so if you have not already, follow me on my Instagram. It's called APinkeClothlife, and my TikTok. It's called APinkeClothlife also, and then my website is pinkcloth.co. I do have an Etsy, but my Etsy, I just put mostly digitals on there, downloads, and I have digitals on my websites also. But thank you guys so much. Please make sure to share, comment, share. Like this video if you like it. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.